Trailer Car is back with another video, and oh my goodness, we finally got some Halos, bro. If y'all know, bro, like a year ago we like did a whoopsie and just got some different lights just because we thought that our lights was the problem, and ended up spending $100 on some lights. So now we got the actual like miata lights or whatever. So right now I'm gonna begin the process of taking my lights off. I'm actually gonna try to transfer over those hearts and everything, bro. So that's what I'm working on right now. I'm just gonna probably time lapse you guys and like put you guys right here next to my life, which is like a perfect spot. So y'all enjoy this. Fuck you. I don't even know where my phone is.
I'm trying to figure out the orientation. Let's start like that. That's how I'm gonna do it. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it like that. Oh my god, look. Hold on. The googly eye. Next. We need a lesson. So what orientation do we do? We get a DLT up. DLT. Okay. There you go. Take it off. Alright. This is what you call a heart transplant. Haha! I'm so funny. This is a heart transplant, bro. From light to light. I'm doing surgery right now. Alright, y'all? We gotta get the patient right. Bro. We gotta get the patient right. And the patient is me. So you know she gotta be decent. Fucking mosquito, bro. Menace ass mosquitoes, bro. Alright, we got the heart. I might not hit for you guys. Hey, look at the lights. That's it. Alright, so now we gotta get. I'm gonna throw a screwdriver out here, okay? But I'm getting my good. So I have to hit this shit. Yep. Yeah, that's why I got a screwdriver. Cause I knew I was gonna fit. You're lying if I gotta take off the thing for this. And that's it right there. And then boom. OEMs. So I gotta take off this bracket. So I'm gonna take off this bracket. And then start reversing it. Bro. Spin it off. Alright guys, so boom. OEM. Get these bullshits out of here, bro. Alright, so we got these joints going in, bro. Put some cars through. Slap that bitch in there. Oh, bro. We valid. And then clamp this new shit back in. If I can. There might be a certain orientation for it. Yeah, might be it. Yeah, Yes, sirski. Come on, man. So let's just stop playing with me. Hold on, bro. This is playing games. Get in there. I'm gonna try this again. Alright. Now, we should get this down. This is being real annoying. Hold on, bro. Goodness. Get in there. Thank you. Why is this irritating me so bad? Why couldn't it just not be, let it be easy? Huh? It couldn't let this shit be easy, bro. It had to be difficult. Somehow. Some way. Some form of just annoyance. Alright guys, we got this. We got this, bro. I'm not gonna let these lights beat my ass. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna let these lights beat my ass. These lights cannot beat my ass right now. This shit actually like a little annoying. Don't mind me though. And then bro, fucking little builder ants right here. Fuck out of here. It's like this orientation is just not going in how it wants to. Hold on, bro. Why am I struggling so hard with this? It should not be this hard. I'm gonna put like a 10 hours later on this shit, bro. I'm tweaking. This is dragging me. Alright, bro. I think I might have successfully lined everything up. Now, I just gotta find my screws to just put it back. And then I gotta do this again. So I'm gonna stop the video after this. Because y'all don't need to see it. Y'all don't need to see me struggle twice, bro. My live, you don't see me struggle twice, bro. The video now, you don't need to see me struggle twice. Where's the last one? What's up? Sorry, my life, it just disappeared. What a dumbass. Alright. Well, I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna make sure she works, and then I'm gonna put it together. Y'all ready? I'm gonna just
Do this. Boom, ski. Get her connected. Oh, fuck. So get her connected. Lights already up. And moment of truth. Is she on? She's on, y'all. Alright, y'all. How long has the video been going? 14 minutes, bro. So this is gonna be the difference. LEDs versus halogen. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna put everything together, and then I'm gonna figure out the app for that. So I don't want to keep like dragging this shit on, and hopefully I could time lapse this and keep this under like 20 minutes. So stay tuned. All right, guys, but right now I gotta basically figure out the app situation now. So they should work. I'm gonna do this. Hey, look at those LEDs. So those should work, and then I'm gonna figure out the other situation. So give me 1 second. Guys, I literally like connected it to my fan because that's the only ground that's out, just so I could figure out the Bluetooth. So look, hold on. So look, you see how my fan is not on? All right, now I turn on my fan. Another thing I'm gonna do is turn off. I'm gonna hold on. Let me see. Let me do this. Okay. I got a little space back here. Back this up. Gonna bag this up. Back this miata up. Bag this miata up. Okay. So she's back. Okay. You can see it better on the other camera. Alright. I'm glad I just figured it out. All right. Aha. All right, guys. Try not to. Hold on, I'm about to put you guys right here, and I'm about to just mess with the lights. Okay. So, let's step back. I'll come over here as well. So it's presets. And then there's a white balance, RGB, standard RGB lights. Then you could do styles. Oh my God, bro. What the fuck? Yo. Yo. Nah, that's raw. That's sick. That is sick, dude. That is sick, bro. Okay, let's work. Fuck, $40. This is the best $40 right now, bro. Dude, this is gonna be crazy, bro. This is gonna be crazy. I'm about to go through every one for y'all. Shit. I was like, what the fuck? This is so cool, guys. He's giving y'all a show. Dude, this is long overdue, bro. Okay, $40. This is the best $40 I've ever spent on me. The best $40 I've ever spent on me, bro. Look at that shit. Like, that shit is wrong. I like the first one better. This one's raw too. Oh my God. Slow it down. That's raw, bro. Alright. Yo. These are gonna be lit, bro. Nah, I think I might take Mimi there. I might take Mimi today. So I could take some videos at the beach. Oh, that's a good one. That's another good one. I like that. I might keep it on that 9. That's 8 though. What y'all think about 8? I just like the number 8. So, dude, this is sick. 10? 10 is sick too. I like 10. Let's go 11. Number 12. These are all the modes I'm going through. 13. This one's cool. I like 13. 14. Ooh, I like 14. Yeah, I like 14. Ooh, and the lights are turned on. 15. 16. 16 looks cool. 16's a cool one. I could get jiggy with 16. 17. Damn, 17 raw. Hey, that's just raw. That's just raw, bro. Let's go faster. This is sick. This is sick, bro. Alright, let's go 18. Another good number. Okay. You got some swirls. And dude, the eyes make it look so funny, bro. How many mods are there? Guys, there's over 256. I was about to go slow through this shit, bro. I don't know what to do, bro. It's gonna take me so long to go through all these. There's 256 different mods, bro. What the fuck? Guys, alright, so I'm gonna take this to the beach today. Guys, watch this, watch this. You ready? You ready? You guys don't even know. I probably should start my car though. So probably don't. I don't think I have my container. So I'm gonna go to the beach and do this tonight. Cause I could do that. Boy, this is about to be raw. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Do y'all see this, John? I don't think y'all see it, bro. Do y'all see it? Or do y'all see it? This is sick, bro. This is sick. Alright, guys. Mimi's going crazy. This is Mimi going crazy, bro. Alright, guys. Y'all got the whole look. Dude, look at this, bro. This is sick, bro. But there's 256 modes, so I'm gonna be messing with that big time. I'm gonna try to take it to the beach and take some videos at the beach for you guys. So just stay tuned for that. But that's the end of this video. I'm gonna actually install it one of these days, but for now, installing it like this is perfectly fine for me. The lights work and everything. I'm gonna show you guys that. So those are the lights as well, actually working with everything on. So like, yeah, it would still run. It would kind of be pointless to do that while I guess I'm driving, right? You know what I'm saying? But for the colors, like if it was like late at night, maybe I would be able to just park at the beach and then hook it up and then literally just run all my lights. It's so nice. I like this. I like this mode right here. But all right, y'all. Stay tuned to the beach. All I gotta say, guys, is my time right here just might be short-lived. But this thing is out here. I just want to get a like cool video. Decent light, decent spot, and this is perfect. So I'm gonna just basically end this video here, guys, with this. Not the live, but I'm gonna end this video. If anything, the live is gonna get like I don't know what they're gonna get, but hey, but make sure you guys subscribe to that channel. and do all that stuff, bro. JoJo cars. I don't know if you can see it, but make sure I do all that. Nothing left to say, bro. We out of here, bro. It seems like they packing up right now. I'm not even gonna lie, it won't be. Tell my underglow is fire on, bro. Y'all gotta stay tuned. What's up, y'all?
Is you right here, bro?
Yes, sir.
This is fly.
Thank you, bro.
You made this?
Yeah, basically, bro.
You paint the outsides too?
I didn't paint, nah. A graffiti artist just did that.
Oh, yeah.
But I wrapped it. It's wrapped.
So you see it.
Yes, sir.
Is you on Instagram?
JoJo cars?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I got you, bro.
Fire truck action. Damn, that bit's cold. Oh, bro. We out here. Is my chat tweaking, y'all? Hell yeah. My live tweaking. Folks. No, that shit decent, folks. Y'all. All right, let me call somebody, guys. Y'all can stay here and chill. Look at this motherfucker. I'm just like out here, bro. What y'all think, bro? What the fuck y'all think about the miata, bro? What y'all think? I probably gotta get out of here soon. He gonna be like, you're bugged out, bro. This is gonna be part of the video, guys. Oh my god, look at that. This is gonna definitely be part of the videos, and we're gonna go all the way up into the top of the garage, guys. Y'all ready? So we're gonna have a little adventure, bro. I gotta also make a phone call, so I'm gonna actually go on mute in a second. So I'm gonna put y'all here. And then I'm gonna try to get some TikToks too, bro.